Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, in the visual field defects, the next visual field is we have Siedel's scotoma. So, in the Siedel's scotoma, actually, this is the paracentral scotoma, this is the blind spot, right? This is paracentral scotoma, this is blind spot. Now, if you join the paracentral scotoma and the blind spot like this is called as Siedel's scotoma. So Siedel's scotoma is actually a sickle-shaped scotoma which is formed by the joining of paracentral scotoma with the help of the along with the blind spot. So when paracentral scotoma joins with the blind spot, the sickle-shaped scotoma which is seen is called as Siedel's scotoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.